Hey, welcome back to my channel. The Black Knight gets an upgrade. Let's see what we got. A couple of upgrades, possibly. Hello, Fresh. Yeah. It was $269 with a $20 rebate on Newegg. So I'm going to be going from a 1070 to a 3060, and I'm going to overclock it, of course. Yeah, so and if I sell that for $100, then I'm getting a 20% uplift with the new card for $100, which ain't bad. So it's $249 for the new 2060, 12 gigabyte. Hope it's 12 gigabyte. Better be 12 gigabyte. Yes, 12 gigabyte. God, it didn't say it on the front, but thank God. Yeah, that was the whole reason behind this, was to get, well, that's some genuine on-screen nervousness there. The whole point behind this was to get 12 gigs of RAM going into the future, because I think you're going to need it, and this is the cheapest option. AMD did not have a 12 gigabyte card at that price point, which I was looking like a 6700, which is comparable to this, but they did not have one at the $249 price point. So that's cool. God, I was honestly nervous because I didn't see a sticker or anything in the front, but it's 12 gigabyte. Thank God. So yeah, yeah, that's going to be a pretty cool upgrade. And then I've been sitting on these for a while. I did my fan research, and there's so many fans. I had a whole list here somewhere. So this is going to get a controller that's PWM, ARGB, and has the controller with it. Because I really wanted the fans to be PWM, set them in the BIOS, set it and forget it. That was the idea behind that, and they're way better fans, higher CFM than these old Rosewill ones. And I know a lot of people that's why you see these Rosewill fans for sale, you know, because they've been pulled out of cases, because they're okay, but they're not ideal. So this is what's going to go in there. These are the Rosewill, or the Cool Moon. They're clear on both sides and in the inside. And they put out a super cool effect. And so I got 5 of those, so these are going to get replaced. I'm probably going to repurpose one fan in the White Knight out of here to blow on the GPU. But yeah, yay! The next time you'll see this this puppy, it'll have a 3060 in there. And I hear they're relatively easy to overclock. However, after the purchase, I learned that the one I did want was the Zotac. They had a white 12 gigabyte OC, and I found out later that it has better VRMs on it than this does, and therefore you can get more out of it by overclocking, because you can get more voltage, put more voltage, get more voltage, or get more voltage out of it when you're overclocking if you have better VRMs. This isn't at the bottom of the list, but it's good enough. It'll be a good enough overclocker. It's already overclocked. So we'll see how far I can take it after that. Anyways, yeah, going from the 1070 to the 3060, 12 gigabyte. Happy about that. Anyways, next video we'll see the Black Knight. Probably gonna have to redo everything. Some of the cables, probably gonna make that come down, or so, I don't know. Have to reconfigure a bunch of crap. So it's basically gonna be a rebuild, is what that is. All right, looks like I got my work cut out for me. Anyways, the next time you see her, it'll have a 3060. All right. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Then I can get back to other projects like the little C64 down there. All right. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Visit 8bitfix.com, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.